This is how to make boomerang videos on your Instagram, so let's get into it. The first thing that you need to do is to simply make sure that you are using an updated version of your Instagram. And the next step is to simply open up your Instagram and then click on the plus icon at the bottom middle. As we want to create a boomerang video, for this simply click on story option here. And at this interface you will open your camera in order to capture a video, and at the left side of this interface you can see an option of boomerang. You have to simply click on it. So right here you have to just click a video in order to create a video with your boomerang. So simply click a video here. So right after some processing you can see here the boomerang video is here. So now I am able to edit here any of the style, effect, filter or anything that you want to add on your story or video. After some editing you will be able to share your boomerang video on your Instagram. And guys, that's all for this video. I hope this video makes a sense for you. If you have any question you can leave a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.